So should I use a sweet eddy lace or normal lace? That is a question that I got recently from many customers. So between sweet eddy lace and normal lace, which one is better? Wow, actually, how your hair looks can have a great impact on the overall. Guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Jun Wick. So today, let's learn about normal lace. The question is, should I use normal lace for the hair? So we should find out the accurate answer for that question. So as you know, normal lace is a common normal one in the human hair industry. So when you use normal lace, the wholesaler prefer to use them because they find them is a safety choice. Alright, so right now in my hand it is the closer and it's made from normal lace, of course. So I want to show you. Now let's see. The first thing I want to show you about the thinness of the lace. So our normal lace look very thin, right? And when I put in my hand, it's still very okay. And of course I want to show you because my skin is a little bit brown. So I hope like for African market, the people will love it, of course. And when you use our lace, I promise it's not, it's very, very comfortable when you use it on your head. And moreover, that the lace right now here, they can be used by both seller and users without having to bleach or re-dye the color of the lace. So very perfect. Now, last but not least, we're talking about the price. So the normal lace from Abehair we provide to you will be suitable in the price, which is the thing we can promise you. Because when you compare our price to other suppliers, the price we give you will be comfortable for the business. And of course, we want to build the business with you. So what we provide you will be the best price for your selling things. And of course, you see right now here in my hand, the closer we are making right now is so smooth and it's so silky, right? And this one here is the middle part closer, and as you can see, it looks very great. So it means when we provide our product supply to you, the products will be perfect. All right, let's summarize what we provide to you today. So with the things I share with you above, I hope like you can confidently choose between the sweet eddy lace and the normal lace. So if you find this video useful for the business and for use as well, please subscribe our channel, give it a like, and don't forget to turn on the notification for more interesting videos like this. Bye bye.